I try not to eat the pancakes before we sit down and eat the pancakes, but one or two might go missing in the process.
What's going on, YouTube? So today we are going to be making healthy protein pancakes with my baby girl, Erin. So we have all the ingredients laid out. She's gonna walk us through how to make these pancakes. By the way, they are so good and I highly recommend you give them a shot. Or if we ever, you know, open up a bakery, we might, no, I'm just kidding, we're not gonna do that. But
You're not.
I'm not. She might. So, stick around. She's gonna show us how to get them done. Here we go.
Okay, so healthy pancakes. I've been trying a bunch of different recipes for probably like 3 years, and I have never found one that actually tastes like a good pancake. It always tastes like healthy, which, as we all know, can sometimes not be the best. So I've kind of mixed and matched a bunch of the different recipes together to make this one. I'll make it quick and easy for you guys. There's not many ingredients. You do need a blender. So what I do is I start with the wet ingredients so that it blends, because sometimes when you get the dry stuff at the bottom, the blade will stop. So starting with 2 eggs. You can always speed this up too. 2 eggs. Half a cup of almond milk, and this makes 9 pancakes, so you can always have the recipe. Sometimes if Spencer's gone, I make it for myself and I just make half of the recipe. Another thing with this is that I find that, oh, this is 1 cup. I find that most of the ingredients in these pancakes I would eat with like oatmeal anyway. So all right, then 1 splash of vanilla. This is kind of an optional ingredient. You don't have to add this one, but I like it. And what else do we have here? Okay, so this is done, this is done. 2 bananas. If you can get extra ripe ones, those ones are always the best for baking. Spencer and I use this protein powder. It is chocolate, so we're kind of going for the chocolate pancake vibe today, but you can really use any kind you want. I'm gonna put 2 scoops in. 2. And then this is a key ingredient that I never used to put in, and this is why they were never fluffy. So the 2 keys to making fluffy, healthy pancakes are baking powder, because that'll help it rise up, and then also blending it. I used to mix it in a bowl, and the oats were still whole, and it would make it really dense. So this I do measure. I do 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm totally eyeballing this right now. And then Spencer is a cinnamon fiend, so I always put a lot of cinnamon in.
You're right over there. You're out.
Okay, and last but not least, I use rolled oats. So I've never actually tried this recipe with the quick oats, but I'm pretty sure you could use quick oats if you wanted to. But these ones are definitely the best. I need another 1 cup measurement. Okay, so basically you're gonna do 1.5 cups of the rolled oats. So it's a half a cup, so I'm just gonna do 3 of these. All right, and that is it.
So why do we blend it?
So that the big chunks of oats just blend right into kind of like a flour, which is what's in buttermilk pancakes, and that's why it's fluffy.
Fluffy! take them out of the oven. They're a little bit crispy, and they're ready to eat, baby.